Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, my name is Julie and I post videos on affordable drugstore makeup. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my best top favorite blushes for summer. And surprisingly, this is probably going against the grain here in the beauty community, but I do not have any favorite cream blushes. I mean, I do have some in my collection that I like, but these are just like the top ones that I tend to reach for the most, and I just have not been reaching for any cream blushes. And I filmed a video, and it should already be up on my best favorite drugstore lip products for summer. So I'll link that video above in the cards or down in the description box if you would also like to check that video out after this one. But yeah, these are just going to be my favorites, best top drugstore blushes for summer. The first one is from Milani, and it's one of their baked blushes. This is in Dulce Pink, and for me, this is a good dupe to Nars Orgasm. It might be just slightly a little bit lighter pink than that blush, but it's that same peachy with like golden shimmers in the blush. But this blush is just a really beautiful pinky peach color. My really good friend Abby, she also has a makeup channel, so I will link her channel down below. She was raving about this blush last year and I had to pick it up, and I also loved it. So that's my first favorite. This other one is an old school blush that's been around for a while. This is from Flower Beauty, and it's one of their Flower Pots blush. And this is in Peach Primrose, which is a really beautiful peachy blush, which I do think that this shade of blush is really on trend for this year. And I've been using this blush color a little bit more than I have in years past. So it's just that really pretty like peach fuzz kind of color. That's the Pantone color of the year. So I've been enjoying that. Just a really good, and this blush here, this is a matte blush. It has no shimmer or sheen in it. And I know that Flower Beauty is a little bit harder to find these days, but I'm pretty sure Ulta still sells this blush. And there's another blush from Flower Beauty that I do like. It's called Sweet Pea, but I just haven't been reaching for that color quite as much this summer. So yeah, these are just like my most reach for summer blushes for this year of 2024. Okay, so this next blush is a little bit newer to my collection, and I got this at the beginning of spring, but this is one of the Makeup Revolution Blusher Reloaded powder blushes, and this is in the color Pink Lady, and it's a really beautiful pink rosy blush. This is also a matte, and it's kind of more in the lines of like those bright hot pink blushes. Like, as you can see, it's really bright there compared to the other two, but it's really pretty. I love a good hot pink blush like this for summer. So highly recommend this one. These last two products are actually blush palettes. And this first one is from L'Oreal. It's their Infallible Paints blush. And I know that this has technically been discontinued. Like, you can't find it at the drugstore, but I have been able to find this on Amazon. So that is why I'm mentioning this blush, because it is one of my most reach for blushes, like blush palettes. But like, this palette is very neon, which is what I really enjoy about it for summer. And like, if I compare Pink Lady to that hot pink in that palette, like, as you can see, they are pretty similar. So, you know, if you're just wanting that hot pink shade, get Pink Lady, because that's gonna be, you know, really comparable to that. But I love the other two shades in that palette. They are a little bit different than Peach Primrose. So yeah, but such a pretty palette. I'm like so sad that L'Oreal stopped making this, because this is an amazing blush palette, and I've had it for many years, and I use it like almost daily sometimes. Like last year, I used this every day just about during the summertime, and I still have yet to hit pan on it. I think it's just because the blushes are so bright and intense. The last blush palette that is a big favorite is from Essence, and it's their Peachy Blossom palette. And I did get this spring, and I have been loving this palette as well. So pretty. I love every single color in this palette. All right, so I went ahead and swatched the whole palette, like even the highlights, even though this is like my favorite blushes. I do like those two highlights in this palette. One is like more of a champagne gold, and the other one is like a champagne pink color. These are slightly a little bit too light for my skin tone right now. Like this pink one in particular, I can get away with the gold one. But in the winter, I can wear both of these just fine. But I love all of the blush colors in that palette. Like the pink here, which is the pink here at the top or the bottom, however you want to look at that. It's very similar to the light pink in the L'Oreal palette that I have. This one might be just a little bit more brighter, a little bit more neon. And then this one here is more, the blush color in the middle of that palette is more of just like a neutral pink color. And then the coral color is really pretty. It's like a coral with some gold shimmers in it. Kind of like the Milani blush. It's just a bit more coral, where the Milani one is more pink. Like as you can see there, so you can see the difference between those two. I have them like right next to each other. So just to show you all those blushes, all the swatches together, so you can see like the differences between all of them. Let us know in the comments what your favorite blushes are for summer right now, whether that be high-end or drugstore, or maybe let us know like what color of blushes you're into right now. I would love to know. I hope that you guys have a great day. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. I do have a tutorial on this makeup look if you're curious, so if that video is up, I will have that link down below or also up above in the cards. But anyway, I will see you all in the next one, and I hope that you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.